Our enterprise is a part of the holding company for the production of pharmaceuticals in the Krasnodar region. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets in plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started to replace morally and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief technologist for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment myself, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. To ensure that the products are of high quality and fully comply with the requirements of hygiene, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. We decided to buy a modern system of apparatuses for storage and supply of powder in the production area of tablets. The material from which the equipment is made must be durable and hard-wearing. The machine must be modern and capacious, with the ability to load more than 50 liters. I am used to doing my job well and working only with specialists. I took the question of choosing a machine for storing powder seriously. I did not use the internet to search for equipment, because often the beautiful picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. At the exhibition, I looked at several variants of machines for storing and feeding powders. They differed in design, capacity, and feeding method. Before purchasing the machine, it was necessary to agree it with the management, and then to conclude a contract for the delivery. I took the contact information from the machine seller and decided that, after approval, I would call the manufacturer and purchase the machine system. However, it was not that simple. When I returned to the company, I started contacting the manufacturer's representative on the phone. The company refused to supply me, citing the small volume of the order. The machine had to be found, and I realized that I would not be able to do that on my own. This made me a little less confident. At the trade fair, I met the manager of a company from Moscow. He offered his services in supplying equipment for the pharmaceutical industry and gave me his business card. The specialist of this company sent me a video of the machine, which clearly shows the equipment and its characteristics. A state-of-the-art powder storage and dispensing machine. The equipment consists of 5 hoppers connected by metal pipes for powder transportation, made of quality stainless steel. I approved the proposed machine for storage and transportation of powder, and a week later we signed a contract for its delivery. 1 month after the contract was signed, we received the equipment. The system works perfectly. I was satisfied with the powder feeder that was offered. I was initially skeptical about choosing a manager, relying on my own experience, but I realized that you should always learn and not be afraid to trust a professional.